LAZADA.
Ayan. So, magkano po yan?
100 yan.
Okay, salamat! Hello, 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 wonderful people! Ayan, muuga ang aking lamesa. Isang magandang araw po sa kanilang lahat. At nandito ang inyong Venie sTravelVlog with your host, Onederful Onederer. Ayan, at tayo po ngayon ay magbubukas muli ng ating unboxing. Mga usong-usong ngayon, di ba? Since Black Friday, nauna na ako bumili kasi sa Black Friday. So, nung dumating po siya, yung, ano ba yung tinatawag natin sa Lazada, na meron siyang mystery box. So, meron akong dalawang mystery box na binili sa kanila. The other one is 167 ang inabot dahil pati yung kanyang pagpapadeliver. Yan. Tapos yung isa naman is 101. So, hindi ko alam kung ano ang laman nito. Nisprayan ko ulit siya na alcohol. Ayan. Na-erase yung kanyang mga sulat. Pero yung isa hindi. Ayan. So, muli, ay, titingnan natin. Ano ba yung mystery box na yan? Na ano ba ako? Na conscious, no? Kumbaga sa ano napukaw ang aking curiousness. Yan. I was ano ba yung sasabihin natin doon na ako ay nainganyo na bumili at tingnan ano ba yung binibili nila ngayon. So tingnan natin ha. Meron akong kunting hindi ngayon. This is I used before the what do you call this, the cutter, and my fingernails got broken, and I'm sad I have a short fingernails now. And now, this is what is the magic box. Jan! Oh, what is this? Fashion phone. This is 59 pesos. And what do you call this? Including the delivery, it's 101. So, BDS, try me. It's good. Nice naman. So, fashion phone stick to phones, tablets, and cases. Ayan. Okay. So, buksan natin. Let's unbox it. And let us see what's inside. Pull twice to expand. Pull twice. Try me. Okay. Let us try. Pull twice to expand. Ayun. So ito po yung nakuha ko dun sa 100 pesos na aking pinasta. So, there's the sticker. Ito yung stick natin dito sa, ayaw na niya matanggal. I'm gonna stick it at the back of the phone. Hindi ko muna siya ididikit. So, you have to stick it there. And then, have to put this inside. So, pag nakakabit na siya, at hindi ko siya maikabit, then you can just put it, something like that. Yeah. Oh. So, yeah. Okay. So, parang may siya. Paano siya kakawakan? Sabi niya, it's a stand. Grip. Okay. They said, there it is. So, you can use it like that. And you can use it to become a stand. So, if you stick it here, ayan, and then, pwede siyang mag-stand down na ganun. So, I don't know how. Well, something like that. Then you can pull it. Ayun. That's how it is. Then you can use it something like that. Nakadikit siya. So, this one is the sticker. Then, ilalagay mo siya doon. Then, you can hold it. Ayan. Okay. So, ito yung nakuha natin. Mali yung aking hawak. Yan. So, ito yung ating nakuha sa aking mystery box. It's 59 pesos. It's equivalent to $1. Okay. So, this is the one. And then, let us see the next one. One pound. Okay. Yeah. This is the other one. It's also in the mystery box. And I paid for 167, including the delivery. 50 pesos is the delivery. So, sometimes you can buy. This one is promotion of the wall, what do you call this? Something, the wallpaper. What is this? There's a lot. Minsan naloloko tayo ng mga promo-promo ng mga ganyan, no? Because we get curious. So because we don't know what's inside the mystery box. This is part of the mystery box. Oh, I see. This one is for the, what do you call this? It's the something when you it lights up. What's the name for that? It's a sticker. Maganda to. Christmas na. That's cool. Light blue. Oh, there's a perfume. A perfume. Ew, the perfume. Sulit na. 100 pesos. Wow. So this is good. Light blue. Ayan. Oh. There's something inside. Ayun. Then, that's how you put it. Can be. It's nice. So, we'll check how much is this 1.17 ounce or 35 ml. EU, the Parfum Natural Spray. Spray, nakalagay sa kanya. Spray Vaporizer. Okay, so I spent 167 and 101. And so that's equivalent to 268. And I got this one. And where's my cell phone holder? I don't know how much this is, but it's worth the money. Something like that. And this one. And this too. Ayan. So folks, this is what I got from the mystery box. Ayan. So yun, diba daw magaganda yung nakukuha nila. So I still have one package waiting, and it says it's coming from Hong Kong, and it's a curtain, and I was waiting for it. So with the curtain with the stars and the moon that's designed, this one, if you stick it on your ceilings, then magkapareho na sila, bagay na silang dalawa, no? So nice. Okay, that's all folks, and this is what I got from the mystery box of LAZADA. Hey LAZADA, I'm promoting you. Bye bye. This is your wonderful wanderer, at nakapag-open again tayo. This is another unboxing of this starry night, and the Parfum and the cell phone